Hey, good day guys, it's your boy Jojo again. Today I'm just going to show you guys how to put on your lens onto your Canon DSLR. It also works for Nikon, Sony. So there we go. You unscrew this at the cap in front here. You see the 18mm sensor. Okay, you screw off this cap here, and you line up the red dot on the lens with the red dot on the Canon body. So there you go. And then you turn left a little bit, and then you hear it snap. And then you're ready to shoot. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember to let your art inspire others. Bye.